this is my bike. I've got a sore throat and don't make fun of me. Right. I don't know what barons they are. I think they fit. I got proper grips. I got proper TTXL bars. 29 by 7 point. I don't even know. Right, got a chrome redneck. United headset. The forks resting at them. They're the pitchforks. That's upside down. I've got profile hubs. Hub on the front in purple with a tie axle, titanium, and I've got a proper rim that hasn't come out yet, and it comes out in 2012. I've got fit faff on the front. I've got a fly frame. It says it's the Montana. It's got some funny houses on the front. Got federal seat, here's pivot. Proper seat clamp and a United seat post. I'm spraying that tomorrow. Got a proper chrome sprocket and 25T. Got fly cranks, the two-piece ones. Fly pedal, shadow chain, and fly bikes bottom bracket. Spanish. I've got same back wheel as the front. It's 90 and it's tyre, same tyre, and this is how loud it is. Pretty loud.